Welcome to another episode of your daily dose of net. Have fun. What's your next action in this situation? So, this bird called the mannequin moon dances whenever it wants to impress the female. That's some smooth boy steps right there. This female suspect wanted to escape arrest, but then this happened.
Stop resisting. You got 3 of us here, all right? Can you please call her, please? I just brushed my mouth.
Yeah, that was like the spill you took.
Just a quick reminder, never to come from behind a horse. So this lady just woke up from an anesthesia-induced surgery, then forgets how to laugh properly.
You want to lick it?
Is this truly a quicksand or just some unexplained phenomenon?
So this guy happens to love ketchup so much he can go extra mile.
Oh man, I just put it back in the fridge. I'll take some ketchup.
So this boy was so happy to help out, he then did this. Thanks for watching. Please do come back for more.